Hey, dear all, let's see how we can use JavaScript executor with the Selenium script. So, Selenium JavaScript executor created a class. I'm just creating a static void main, and inside that, I'm just creating a WebDriver instance so that I can load a page and I can execute JavaScript inside that. So, new Chrome driver, and then after that, driver dot get. I should give some URL. Let's give the URL of this demo, this one. So let's see how we can find out the web elements from that. Currently, I'm taking this full name as well as there are some elements at the bottom as well, right? So I'm going to write some locators for first for this first name, and next thing will be for this submit as well. So let's find out the locators. Then from here, syntax is first name, right? So control of input, and there is placeholder first name. So here we have the XPath for this one. So I'm just placing it here. Web element, web element, first name equals driver dot find element by dot XPath. Then we can give the first name locator. After that, let's find out the locator for submit button. So here button we can use the contain text. Button contains text submit. So after that, let's place it here. After that, let's create a JavaScript executor instance, JE driver. So it will ask to typecast into JavaScript executor. I'm casting it. And after that, let's see what are the activities we can perform using JavaScript executor. Basically, we can click on an element, or we can scroll into an element, or we can scroll the page by each pixel. Then we can have the input field, like we can send some values into a input field. Then we can have get title, or we can highlight elements like that. So let's see for few of the examples here. So currently we have this web elements, right? So I'm just going to uh, traversing into the first name and going into locating the cut last one. First I'll be going into the first name and I'll be highlighting this web element. So let's see how we can do that. We already have a Java executor, right? So then inside that we should pass as a script argument arguments of 0 dot, we can have a style so that I can border equals single quotes. Then we can specify how we can highlight it solid. Let's have a red color. So after that we should give the web element as well so that I can highlight it specifically. Then after that, let's try to send some input into the text, the first name, since it is a input field, right? So let's try to input something into. So replacing to that send case, we can give like argument arguments of 0. So every time we'll be giving this argument of 0. After that we'll be giving the value, and after the value equals, we'll be giving some values like first name. So it will be going into the input field of that first name. And after that, so here we have highlighted it. We send some values into the first name. Next thing, let's scroll into our submit button. So for that, what we can do is we have a script that nothing but arguments of 0 dot scroll into view. We should make it as true, and after that semicolon, then comma. We should give the s- submit button as it is in the web element. So it will scroll to the submit button. Then let's see how we can click on the submit button using JavaScript executor. Then nothing but here we can give the click click function and semicolon. So everywhere we should give the semicolon, whether it is in input or whether it is a click or everywhere, right? We should give the click before closing it. So here I missed out something, so I'm just giving the semicolon 1 2 3. So we have this much steps, right? So first it will highlight this and it will um, enter some value, nothing but the first name. Then it will scroll into the submit button, then it will click. Also I have added this wait after entering the first name text into the first name field, and after that I'm just scrolling into the submit button. Then I'll wait for 5 seconds and I'll try to click on the submit button as well. So let's try to run the same from here. It should pop up the window, then after that it will highlight the first name field, then it will enter the first name text into the first name web element area. Then after that yeah, highlighted, then it inputted, then it will scroll into the submit button, then it will just click on it. Yeah, that's it. Let's verify the title of this page, which is displaying currently, right? So let's see the title of the page which we are loading currently. So I'm just inspecting it. Then the title is register, right? Let's confirm it. Control F double slash title, nothing but the register. The same thing, right? So after that, I'm coming into my page, and then I'm just taking the title of the page using title equals je dot execute script. Then after that, take out the title using return document dot title. That's it. And after that, let's assert it. Assert dot assert true. Assert equals this title is register. Then here I got one error, right? So let's try to resolve it. All right. So g dot execute script. So it should be returning an object, right? Let's try to cast into a string so that I can make it perfectly into the string variable, right? Let's have a not like this, just to like this, just casting into a string variable. So just try to execute the same. It should get the title, and after that it will assert that it is the title is registered or not. After that it will enter some value into the text, then it will scroll into the view of submit, then after that it will click on the submit button. So we can see the execution. So scroll into this. All right. So it asserted the value as well, right? As you can see here. That's it. So that's how we can use the JavaScript executor inside our Selenium script. So we can do most of the things using JavaScript executor as well. And sometimes the element will not be visible for inside the page, like inside the scope, so that we can use the scroll into view concept. And then also we can use the this method to give some values into the text area as well. So we can click on it, we can send some values, and we can scroll into those likewise. Let's try it from your end as well. Thank you all. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.